Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Imagine turning any song into a professional looking music video, a cool dance performance, or even a stunning lyrics animation, all with just one click. Sounds like magic, right? But that's exactly what Freebeat AI promises to do. Today we are going to test it out and see if this AI tool really delivers amazing results. Before we begin, you can find the link to freebeat.ai in the video description. Let's dive right in. First, head over to freebeat.ai and sign up using your Google account. It's super quick and easy. Just a few clicks and you are ready to start creating AI powered videos instantly. Once you are in, you will see the clean and simple dashboard. Right at the top, there is a search bar where you can paste the URL of a music video to start creating. Don't have a link? No problem. You can also browse trending music from YouTube, TikTok, Spotify, and more.
So baby, tell me what you want, oh yeah. Can you tell me before I make my plans? I've been maybe see me on the road, I gotta try to do it.
Now let's check out the three main features of Freebeat: music video, dance video, and lyrics video. Choose your music by pasting a video link or selecting from trending songs. Enter a background idea. This can be anything from a city skyline to a dreamy landscape. Pick an aspect ratio depending on where you will share the video, like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc. Select the resolution for the best quality. Choose a model to generate the visuals. Once everything is set, hit generate, and in just seconds, Freebeat will create a stunning music video for you. And the results? Absolutely amazing. With just a few clicks, you get a high quality AI generated video that looks like it was made by a pro. Now let's check out the dance video feature. Select your song.
That's the way I like it. Ain't cooking a smile for none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. I'm wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. Out on the backstand beach. Already know my body. Already know that's me. Bitch, shit, you might get.
Click on the dance option. Customize your video. Choose an image character. This will be your AI dancer. Select a dance genre like hip hop, jazz, or swing to match the energy of the song. Pick a background to set the stage. Choose the aspect ratio based on where you want to post the video. Once everything is set, hit generate and watch as the AI creates an incredible dance video that moves perfectly to the beat.
Catch that on the backstand beach. Already know my body. Already know that's me. Bitch, shit, you might get me. All I want to love is solid. Some of y'all go get a wash. Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost.
The results? Super impressive. It's like having a professional choreographer and video editor working for you in seconds. Finally, let's try the lyrics video feature. Choose your song.
Multiplies the dark. Multiplies the dark. Abusive teens pretend to be adults.
Click on the lyrics video option and customize your video. Select the aspect ratio to fit your platform. Choose the best visual model for the lyrics. Once everything is ready, hit generate and Freebeat will create a beautifully animated lyrics video with perfect timing.
Abusive teens pretend to be adults, smoking the sick world to ashes. The crowd groans, the crowd exalts. Dummies waiting for the crashes. Collapse of empires, collapse of generations. Their desire.
The results? Absolutely stunning. The AI sings the lyrics perfectly with eye-catching animations, making it easy for anyone to create professional quality videos. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can create high quality music videos, dance videos, and lyrics videos effortlessly. Whether you want an AI generated dance performance, a stunning music video, or a perfectly synced lyrics video, this tool makes everything quick and easy. Just choose your music, customize the settings, and let the AI do the rest. No editing skills required, just creativity and fun. Try it out and let me know which features you like the most. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one.